Hey guys, welcome again to our channel. It's been a long time since our last video, but here we are again back with more tutorials. Today I brought you a new video explaining how to use one of the best features of the IBM Watson technology, which is Watson X data. Just part of the big list, large list of different technologies of about data, AI, and so on. So regarding to Watson data, you can use Watson data to cost optimization. Okay, so imagine your company works with large amounts of data and is looking to reduce how much you are spending on storage and engines. The task is to move some of the data that is stored on the company's data warehouse over the Watson X data to cost optimize workload. So basically, what you're gonna do is to get to upload different sources, different sources of data to your Watson Studio data. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to show you that to use these tools in a short steps, so you can understand very well how to upload data, what kind of data you can upload, what kind of files you can upload, and how to create different tables for these types of files. So let's go. Okay, references. Okay, it's done. Log in now. What you need to do is okay, here we go. So as you can see here, we got a lot of resources of on our dashboards here. One of its Watson assistants, as I told you, is just one of the many technologies uh, you can use with Watson. Okay, you got here for assistance. You got Watson Discovery. We got here Watson Machine Learning and so on. Okay, what we're gonna do is Watson X data. Okay, so I'm gonna type here Watson X, and I'm gonna open Watson X data. Okay, as you can see, we got Watson X AI says with persistent and governance and orchestrating. So you got a lot of resources here. Okay, I'm gonna open my console here. I think already done something with these sources, so I'm gonna need to remove many things here so I can show you from the beginning how to upload all the files, okay, how to connect with your database, okay. Back, start continuing, back, continue, this here. Okay, guys, okay, you got infrastructure here. On your infrastructure, you got different options. Okay, this is my last project. I'm gonna eliminate this project here so you can so I can show you how to do that. I'm gonna this one as well. Um, I can't delete this one because it is I'm using the dryer plane, so I can't delete this one. It's a part of the platform. So okay, So guys, let's start by upload some files. Okay, I have some files here. I got some files here. I got some files here. CSV files in JSON. I've created this file here. It's a CSV file. Products with different types of products, prices, quantities in total. Okay. I got the same table here on my JSON file here. I've created this JSON file as well to represent the product. Just a second. Okay, we got different products here with price, quantity, totaled. Okay, so this table is exactly the same table here of this file. Okay, they have from my JSON file, I got 4 columns. I got 4 columns, and on my product files, I got 4 columns as well. Okay, just a second here. Okay, as you can see here, I got 4 columns. But the products here are different from my JSON file. So I got different data. Okay, I got different data from the same table. So what I'm gonna do is to first of all, you gotta know how to use this thing. You got here the infrastructure manager, the data manager, the query space, the query is okay. The infrastructure is where you can basically create your infrastructure management. Okay, and data manager is where you can manage all your data. Okay, you got access of different types of data. You can browse data, ingesting history, and ingest data as well. You got queries workspace. A query workspace is where you can create some different queries, SQL queries to take a look on your data, maybe to insert, to select, to delete. Okay, whatever you want, you can do it here with your you just type queries here. Okay, SQL queries, and depending on what kind of engineer are you using, you're gonna create your query here. Okay, no run engines yet. As you can see, no run engines yet, because we didn't create anything here. Okay, we didn't create our catalogers, our we got here actually we got default catalogers here. Catalogers, we got iceberg in sample, and we got storage here, but we don't have engine. We don't have our engine here, so we have to, in order to work with some engine, we got to create our engine. We have to import, to add a company. There's a company here. Okay, let me show you like is okay. Let me see here. Got no, got nothing here. Okay, so let's start by add a component. We got different components. We got here engines component. We got here from engine components, we got the IBM Presto, the IBM Spark, the IBM DB2 Warehouse, IBM NetSet, and other. Okay, these are the different engines you can access. Okay, we got different services here. We got Marvels, create Marvel series. You got catalogs here. You can create catalogs. You can create storage and you can create data sources here. As you can see, you can create different sources here: IBM, DB, Apache, Drupal, ClickHouse, MongoDB, MySQL, also Postgre, and you can connect with your Oracle data sources and Snowflake as well. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty cool uh, uh, sources. It's a pretty cool platforms here for data engineers and data analytics guys, professionals. So, guys, you can use these tools for uh, your data management and cost optimizing data. Okay. So what we're gonna do is to create a Presto of some engines. I'll create the IBM Presto, but we could create the IBM Spark as well, but I prefer to start with Presto Java or the Presto engine. So just have to select this engine and then you click next. Okay, you got to name it here. Put a name. I'm gonna say engine engine test engine test. I'm gonna say my engine test is a standard because it is light. The light is we are using the trial plan. You got to associate this engine with your catalogs here. We got two default catalogs. You can create your home catalogs, but we're gonna create just this engine. Imagine that I don't want to imagine that I don't want to connect with this default. Yeah, I don't want to associate with this default catalogs. You're gonna create your own catalogs. Okay, my engine is created. We gotta wait a minute. It's gonna take some maybe 2 minutes to a minute, just 1 minute to update the platform. So what I can do is to refresh here, waiting. Here we can see our catalogs here. I can't see my engine yet. Okay, let's wait a minute. It's loading. Okay, not yet, but let's ingest some data. Okay, I'm gonna ingest some data. I think it's gonna be update or refresh it all. We're gonna see our engine after we ingest some data. I'm gonna ingest it. So yeah, as you can see, I got my engine here. My engine is here, and I'm gonna ingest some data to these engines.